Morning world. So in the last vlog episode I mentioned that my Casio F91W has the strap, you know, for the F91W has broken off already. And our watch is still in perfect condition, but yeah, this strap has literally just bit the dust. So today I'm going to change that with a Nato strap that I've gotten from AliExpress. Now this little thing here cost about, I think, $2, which is super cheap. So yeah, just to show you a really quick video on how to change the strap on the F91W. If you look behind the watch, you actually see arrows, right? And the arrows are actually pointing in the direction that you should have the push pins pushed out towards. And there we go, look at that. I have a push pin remover tool here. There we go. So with little effort, all you need to do is just to pull this bit out and this bit out, and voila, there you go. We have removed the strap and we have the watch by itself over here. There we go. Other than that, we have our Nato strap. Let's open that and see what we have. So I've bought a white one and a black one, but I've decided to put this on a white one. They even gave us this free thing. What is this? It says love on it. Okay. They also gave push pins. Wow, that is nice of them. I'd have to say it does not look as nice as I thought it would be on the white Nato strap. But in any case, if you are looking to do a strap replacement on the F91W, this is pretty much it. Gonna put it on, and that's how it looks on a Nato strap, on a white Nato. I might swap it for the black one because I think it doesn't look as fitting in terms of like color wise. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, but I might just swap it out for the black, and let's see how it looks like on the black, shall we? And voila! What do y'all think? Check it out. I think it looks better on the black one. Why did I even think of putting it on the white Nato strap? Yeah, I mean, I thought the contrast between the white and the black face of the watch would make things much nicer, you know, but turns out it just did not. So yeah, I guess I'm going to just keep the white one for future modifications on other watches of straps, for their straps. But right now, look at that, we have breathed new lease of life into the Casio F91W. Again, this is one of the watches that I'm very happy with getting. But yeah, thank you for sitting through a longer than I thought video on pretty much how to remove the strap of the F91W and change to a Nato strap. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.